7 high-protein vegetables and how to eat more of them. It's important to include healthy sources of protein in your diet each day. Protein helps your body with a number of important functions and helps you maintain muscle mass. Worry not, because there are plenty of protein-rich vegetables available year-round. Try out these options for plenty of variety. You can enjoy each of them alone as a side dish, or in different recipes for a filling main course. 1. Edamame. Total protein, 18.46 grams per cup, prepared from frozen. If you normally only eat edamame at your local sushi restaurant, it's time to start enjoying it at home. It's packed with healthy plant protein, vitamins, and minerals. Recipes to try: spicy edamame, crispy Parmesan garlic edamame. 2. Lentils. Total protein, 17.86 grams per cup, boiled. Lentils aren't technically a vegetable, they're actually a pulse found in the legume family. But you won't find a better option when it comes to an inexpensive, readily available vegetarian-friendly protein. Bonus: dry lentils cook up in only 15 minutes. Recipes to try: red lentil taco soup, Four Corners lentil soup. 3. Pinto beans. Total protein, 15.41 grams per cup, boiled from dried. Pinto beans are popular in Mexican cooking. They work well in burritos, as a salad topper, in soups and chilies, or just as a side. Try cooking dried pinto beans instead of using the canned type for even more health benefits. Recipes to try: slow cooker pinto beans, pinto bean chili. 4. Chickpeas. Total protein, 14.53 grams per cup, boiled from dried. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a main ingredient in hummus. They have a subtle, nutty flavor that works well in a variety of dishes. Enjoy snacking on roasted chickpeas or using them as a staple in curries, soups, or vegetable bowls. Recipes to try: crispy roasted chickpeas, coconut chickpea curry. 5. Mung beans. Total protein, 14.18 grams per cup, boiled from dried. Mung beans are part of the legume family and offer plenty of protein per serving. They're also a good source of iron and fiber. Recipes to try: mung bean and coconut curry, sprouted mung bean burgers. 6. Fava beans. Total protein, 12.92 grams per cup, boiled from dried. In their pods, fava beans look like edamame or green beans. Try adding these nutritious legumes to stews and salads or making them into a tasty dip. Recipes to try: buttery sesame fava beans, fava bean dip. 7. Lima beans. Total protein, 11.58 grams per cup, boiled. This little legume packs a nutritious punch with plenty of potassium, fiber, and iron. While some people don't like the taste, recipes like the ones below can help with that. Recipes to try: Mediterranean baked lima beans, herbed lima bean hummus,